Hey guys, so my Cyclotron arrived in the mail today, and I just wanted to demo it for you guys real quick on my YouTube page. Real quick, just want to say please check out other videos on my YouTube page, and also feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to more videos like this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my Cyclotron. So let's go ahead. And so a cyclotron is just pretty much 4 coils, that are electromagnetic coils. So they make a magnetic field, and so by creating a magnetic field, it's able to send this little ball around in a loop. So I'm going to go ahead and put one ball in there. So one steel ball on the track, and I'm going to send it through. Oh wow, look at it go. That's crazy. There's that one ball. So just one reminder of safety, don't put any moisture or any liquids near this, because this will be a huge problem. It'd be very dangerous. Also, when you're plugging this in, make sure you don't get your finger back there on behind the connector and make contact while it's powered on, because the power cord is sending 24 volts 5 amps to the cyclotron. So let's go ahead and I got 3 more steel balls that came in with it, so let's go ahead and try to sneak one in there if I can. Alright, that's 2. I try to separate them, but I think they'll separate on their own or maybe combine. Alright, I'm going to put 3 more in there. Only thing is you don't want them to all bunch up all at the same time, because all 4 get bunched up in the coil. They just get stuck right there and they don't move. So, but that's pretty much it. Pretty cool, huh? I think when I just have the 1 in there, that goes a lot faster than try to, because it's hitting all the other ones. It's hitting 3 of them at a time, so they're colliding, just like the CERN collider or the proton pack in Ghostbusters. But this just moves the metal balls, not moving particles and smash them. So just that 1, that's crazy. Look how fast that ball goes. Maybe see if I can sneak 2 in there. I try to put a latency in the second ball, but all in all 4. There you go, and that's it for this video. Thank you for your time.